Hi traders, how are you? Today we will flip our $10 to $5K. So let's start our challenge. First of all, we have see here a good sell opportunity. Then we have opened our trade. I'm thinking price can fall anytime. So that's our selling zone. Price basically made QMM, which is Cosmodo manipulation. First it made low, then high. And after that it made lower low. So there will be higher high. So then it made drop, base drop or supply area, and last zone is our entry zone. So that's the full structure of QMM. It's basically reversal of QMR. So that's high risk, high reward setup. Price also made SNRC 1 on M1. So that's good confirmation for our trade. So it can fall anytime. On higher time frame like M15, there is also double Marubozo, which is good confirmation for our trade and our entry. So there is also bearish shingle. Actually, price now made bearish shingle, which indicate that it can fall anytime. So we can wait our TP area. When it will fall down, we can close our trade. Alhamdulillah, price react too much good. We can close our trade here and wait for another setup. So welcome back to second trade. Here we have seen a good buy opportunity. First of all, we can open our layers. Then I'll explain the reason why we have buy here. So basically, price made a good lower base here. Then it also break upper base. So upper base you can refer as resistance area. So if we see price already broke upper base on M1, so it's M5 setup, so it can fly anytime. So that's our good setup. Here we have already marked our TP area, which is target profit. When price reach, if it give retest, then we can close our trade. If it didn't give retest, we can wait for TP2. So that's our second trade, and we will wait for that. Basically, base breakout strategy is a little bit risky, but you can flip your account with 20 to 30 pips. So Alhamdulillah, price react too much good. We will wait our TP area. By the way, base breakout strategy depends on direction. So there are two continuous setup, which is rally base rally and drop base drop, and two is reversal setup, which is rally base drop and drop base rally. So these are four setups, or we can say that four techniques, which is used in base breakout strategy, and these are the basics of supply demand and support resistance strategy. So Alhamdulillah, price react well, and it touched our TP. I'm expecting price will fall down little bit because there is also QMR buy. Price made low high, lower low, higher high, and now it's reached to entry point. So we have opened our trade because it's M1 setup, so price can fly anytime. So we have opened our trade, and Alhamdulillah, it's reacting too much good. We will close our trade on our TP. So as expected, it reached our TP. So without wasting any time, we can close our trade. See you in next video.